Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ZFGN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very nice day today. The price really came to life, and the majority of it did come during the first 30 minutes. Again, each of these represents 30 minutes. So you can see the opening 30 minutes, the price gapped up there, and then ultimately closed right there. However, to give credit where credit's due, if you've been trading long enough, I'm sure you've seen opening mornings very strong, and then all of a sudden by the time the end of the day is there, the price is much lower than where it had closed during the first portion, or sometimes it just keeps going and going down and totally crashes. That was not the case here. So sure, after the opening 30 minutes, things got quote unquote boring by just going sideways, but given the the amount of movement that the price had just shown, that's a good sign of strength in and of itself. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk resistance levels. The ideal area of support, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can hold above $4.10, that would be the best case scenario. Now, if the price does drop below it, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. That would just be the ideal scenario. Next level of support after 410, down there at $3.93. And then from the big picture of things, it's all about the purple line, which is the 50-period simple moving average. I realize it's totally relevant right now given the purple lines there and the price closed up there, but keyword there being moving average. So as time goes by, that line is going to continue to move its way upwards. And like I said, the simplistic way to look at this is as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? Initial area of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be right up here around this area. You can see there is no distinct area, so I'm just kind of trying to split the difference here. We'll call it up there at $4.33. Again, you can see, the price hit it, got somewhat close, went slightly above it, here slightly below it. So $4.33 initial area of resistance. If the price can push through there, then we're going to have to go to another time frame here. Good problem to have. That makes it easy. So after $4.33, next key level is going to be the famous 200-day simple moving average, which is that pink line right there, currently valued at $4.61. No doubt about it, though. Very nice day today, so it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.